Hello guys, I am Shubham Kirme. So our today's Viva topic is, yesterday we have seen that the scope of variables in Java. So today's our topic that name is the, so our yesterday we have seen that the scope of variables in Java and memory allocation in Java. So let's move toward the today's topic. While getting into the word of programming, we must know and the multiple instances of the types of data, and it gives some instances the bigger and sometimes what happen uh, in the sorting algorithm in the, so what is the sorting algorithms in Java? So let's us see that's our the today's topic name. Sorting, it is a process of arranging the elements of an array so that they can be placed either in ascending or descending order. For example, consider an array. For an array example, you can take the elements a1, a2, a3, a4, a5, and you can give it to sequence. Then you need to mention the a1 is greater than a2, a2 is greater than a3, a3 is greater than a4. So there are so that depend on type. There are having the 10 types. The first one is the bubble sort, and second one is the bucket sort. So we can see there are the 10 types. We can see each in the detail. The first one is the bucket sort. We can take the bucket sort is an algorithm known as workout the word by the working element, and it's also called as the Boolean expression by using the different coding algorithm. The third one is the com sort. Com sort is the that type of algorithm. It compares the adjacent values, where com removes the data elements, and fourth one is the counting sort. It is a sorting technique based on the keywords and its objects according to the nearby keyword. And the fifth one is the heap sort. Heap sort, in the heap sort, there the minimum heap of maximum help is to maintain from the array element, depending upon the choice and the array elements, and sorted by deleting the array. The sixth one is the inheritance sort. At the time of the inheritance sort, each inheritance of the array due to it is a very easy method to arrange the cards. The seventh is the merge sort. Merge sort is to conquer approach while you use to, and it is divided into the number of elements. And the sorted combined, it is the ways of and number of an array. And eighth one is the quick sort. Quick sort, it is an optimized sort algorithm which platform sorting, and quick sort who works well. Ninth one is the selection sort. Selection sort, and the 10th one is the shell sort. Shell sort is the that time of the generalization of an insertion sort which which overcomes the drawbacks of an insertion sort by comparing elements sequenced by the type of the several continuums or several constances. Each of the sorting algorithm having a time complexity. Time complexity, merge sort is divided and conquer the algorithm, and hence it offers optimized operators. So its time complexity is better than the other sorting algorithms. And also the other than the merge sort, the selection sort is the best time is based and how to show the time complexity by using the zero g and beta n and theta n. So theta n making the average of complexity of an algorithm, and the selection sort, the bubble sort using the theta n log n complex time complexity, and that the workest of the time complexity of theta n2. Thank you guys. So that's all about the today's sorting